Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about NumPy. In our playlist we will cover introduction, why NumPy, installation, some basic examples, NumPy beginners, intermediate, advanced and lastly summary. In today's video we are going to explore basic thing about NumPy. We know Python is used for data science and machine learning, or we want numeric computations or heavy computation, so Python is suitable. Because Python have powerful inbuilt libraries, NumPy is one of the powerful library. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. NumPy was created in 2005 by Travis Oliphant. It is an open source project and you can use it without a cost. NumPy is Python library used for working with array. So you can create number of elements of the same data type under a single name and manipulate it. NumPy is fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. It also has function for working in domain of linear algebra, Fourier transform and matrices. Linear algebra involves operation on vectors, metrics such as matrix multiplication, dot operation. Fourier transforms are used to convert signals from the time domain to the frequency domain and vice versa. Matrices are a control concept in mathematics and used extensively in computer graphics, data analysis and machine learning. It provides a high performance multidimensional array object and tools for working with this array. First we discuss why use NumPy, what is the need of the NumPy, how NumPy is faster than list. Let us start with the why use NumPy. In Python we have list that serves the purpose of the array, but they are slow to process. With the help of the list we can do every operation of array, but suppose we have large amount of data processing, then list is not better option because it is very slow. NumPy aims to provide an array object that is up to 50 times faster than traditional Python list. The array object in NumPy is called ND-array. In Java, we can create one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array or three-dimensional array. But in Python, we can also create n-dimensional array that is called ND-array. It provides a lot of supporting function that makes working with ND-array very easy. Using ND-array, we can work efficiently. Arrays are frequently used in data science where speed and resource are very important. Let's explore how NumPy is faster than list. NumPy arrays are stored at one continuous place, so accessing or manipulating array element is faster than list. This behavior is called locality of reference in computer science. And another reason is list can hold element of different type. But NumPy array is more specialized as the element is the same data type. This is the main reason why NumPy is faster than list. Also, it optimized to work with latest CPU architecture rather than traditional list. Another thing is why NumPy is fast. So, vectorized code is more concise and easier to read. In non-vectorized code, you need to manually iterate over each element in array using loop. And in vectorized code, operation performs on entire array in single step. Rather than process each element one by one, fewer line of code generally means fewer bugs. Suppose we write 4 lines of code, then finding error in that code is easier. The code is more closely resembles standard mathematical notations. These resembles make the code easier to understand, especially for those with mathematical background. Vectorization results in more Pythonic code. Pythonic code means clean, concise and takes full advantage of Python's feature to make it easier to write and understand. Without vectorization, our code would be littered with inefficient and difficult to read for loops. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming video of the NumPy installation.